MYIR Electronics Limited, called MYIR for short, is a smart SMT factory focused on providing one-stop PCBA manufacturing services worldwide, including PCB design, component procurement, one-stop PCBA service for SMT, testing, assembly, and full process. The products are widely used in industrial control, power communication, new energy, medical instruments, and other fields, providing comprehensive guarantees for multimodal, small, or medium-sized batch OEM services. MYIR has passed ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 system certifications, obtained many patent inventions and certificates, and have been recognized as a high-tech enterprise in China and a specialized innovative small and medium-sized enterprise honor in Shenzhen. MYIR is well received by many customers. We have a technical team with over 10 years' experience in electronic manufacturing, along with internationally advanced professional equipment, including Smart Solder Paste Management Cabinet, X-ray component counter machine, fully automatic solder paste printing machine, high-speed double-track SMT machine and reflow oven, wave soldering machine, automatic CNC PCB router machine, first article inspection machine, 3D SPI, 3D AOI, through-hole AOI inspection machine, X-ray machine for BGA and QFN, and automatic conformal coating machine. MYIR has configured an intelligent MES system and WMES to fully realize production information management. Additionally, we have an electrostatic environment management system, which continuously monitors static electricity, temperature, and humidity in real time. We consistently focused on the core technology of PCBA manufacturing, offering customers one-stop solutions. From BOM check, DFM review, process confirmation, component procurement, SMT, through-hole soldering, functional testing, high-temperature aging testing, conformal coating to finished product assembly and packaging protection. We strictly control key processes of product data, process parameters, and inspection standards, ensuring that your products achieve stability and reliability. MYIR has always been customer-oriented, committed to becoming a high-quality and high-efficiency PCBA service provider, offering customers comprehensive, one-stop electronic manufacturing services. Let's work together to create a brighter future.